We'll guide you through how to fix the Wi-Fi connection automatically turning off. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can get really irritating as you're trying to do something and it keeps disconnecting. So to get started, swipe up and open your settings. What you need to do is come into connections, Wi-Fi at the top. Then you want to go and press the gear or cog icon to the right of the network. You want to make sure auto reconnect is switched on. Then we can come back. Now, if you're finding the entire Wi-Fi keeps turning off, then what you want to do is come back to your main settings, scroll down and you want to go and find general management. Then you want to scroll down and find the option for reset. If you're struggling to find the reset option, you want to press the search in the top right of the settings and you can then go and type in reset Wi-Fi and we can get straight to the setting like this. And then we can press reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings and confirm our decision. After you've done the reset, hopefully now it will go and remain on. However, if you find that it keeps disconnecting, let's do a restart. So tap and hold the side power button on your device, press restart and restart again. When it comes back on, it should now go and stay on hopefully. If you found this useful, then leave a like for more. Thank you for watching.